Hi guys, it's Rae. Today we are starting a new tumbler. I am going to start on a black base. I just cruded up my bottom a little bit, but that's okay. I'm going to use this vinyl, the fancy florals with the blue and the teal from It's Pretty Personal. I have my Tack it over and over because I really want to jump into testing these Resin Chameleon powders. So this one says olive, golden, champagne, magenta, plum. We're going to test these all eventually, but we're not using them all today. This one says grape, mint, which is interesting because it's kind of gold in the container. This one says galaxy, but today I'm going to use this teal and the blue. These are the two colors I'm going to pair with this vinyl. So I'm going to put 2 coats of Tack it on my tumbler to start and let it dry in between the 2 coats, and then once it's dry after the second coat, I'm going to come on and do my Chameleon Micas. So I'm going to move my vinyl out of the way so I don't get it yucky. I have a big, wide, fluffy, soft brush, and I'm just going to do a quick coat. I do have my Tack it over and over, approximately 50-50. So I'm going to let this dry, do the next coat. When the next coat's dry, I'll be back. Okay, so my Tack it is plenty dry now. I'm going to start with the teal towards the top, I think. I don't know. I may actually just, like, mix them up. That is pretty. I haven't decided if I want to mix them or do them separately or what I'm doing. Man, these are gorgeous. So I have a couple soft fluffy brushes. I'm just gonna, whoa, look at that, gorgeous. I think I'm just gonna streak them on. Streak it and let them blend. And get it on everything else in my room, because that's what these do. These are so pretty. So let's see about this one. Just scooch this pot out of the way. A little bit darker blue to almost a purple. I think we're going to go ahead and grab the mint and maybe fill the rest in with mint, just to see what that looks like. The mint's like a goldish yellow, but it says mint. Oh, I did not mean to dip that in there quite so far. Oh, a piece of hair stuck on here. I don't have a third brush, so yeah, I guess at a certain angle it is a minty color. So I'm just going to fill in the rest with that. Okay, so that's 3 out of the 10 colors. Alright, so I'm going to just rub this down. I'm going to sprinkle some of the excess back on just to fill in any blank spots if I can. Let me grab my teal again. Just gonna dust it over and make sure I got every nook and cranny covered. Okay. So now that I've gotten it this far, I'm not sure I'm gonna like the vinyl with it, so we may be swerving and changing directions. I'm burnishing it pretty hard, just trying to get streaky spots worked out. And to make sure there's no loose powder left. So hopefully you can see the color and the shift. I think it's beautiful. I'm gonna grab that vinyl because now that I'm gonna look at this, I'm not gonna like it. So we're gonna use this vinyl on something else, probably with a teal glitter, to be perfectly honest, because I think that's what it's screaming for. So I'm gonna get some epoxy on this, and then we're gonna decide later what we want to do with it. So I'll be over to get epoxy on it shortly. Okay, so I'm gonna get a coat of resin on this. I still don't know what I'm doing with this cup ultimately, but I'll figure it out. Okay, I absolutely love the way this cup looks at the moment. And I've been back and forth about what I wanted to do with it. And I think I'm settled on what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to use this cute decal on it. Coffee Hustle Repeat Small Business Owner. This is one of the ones that's printed on white, so it'll go very nicely over this. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to peel this. You can see how it's printed white. I'm going to put it right here. Try and get it lined up somewhat straight. I love the way that looks already, but I want to jazz it up some more. Oops, I just got epoxy on my phone. I'm going to get the epoxy on this and then sprinkle in the glitter. I'm going to use the Shattered Mistress Cheat. The Mistress Cheat works good over like any color. And shattered means it's shards, not actual cuts of glitter. So I am just going to sprinkle this on. I'm going to sprinkle a little heavier around the bottom rim, and then I'm going to kind of feather it up as I get towards the top. That's my goal anyways, but I don't know if you can see what I mean by shards. I have a chunkier shard, but I really don't want the chunkier one over it. That's from a different company. I'm just gonna fling a little bit at the bottom. This will give it like an opaly effect over the chameleon in some spots, if that makes sense. And I'm just gonna hold my hand up higher and keep sprinkling my way up. I'm not gonna go all the way to the top. I'm just gonna go about halfway. Just to give it a little more texture was what I was going for. The higher up you go, the more spread out it'll land on the cup. And I may do just a tiny sprinkle all around the top. Just let it rain a little bit. I don't often break out this sheet, so it's part of why I wanted to use it. So I haven't used it in a while on anything. So I think that's good. I think that's plenty. Just kind of cleaning off my glove. That'll be it. You can see how little I actually used. Put that back in the bottle. And I will bring it up so you can see it. Actually, I'll go ahead and bring you down since my hands are ungloved and clean. But can you see how that's like an opaly effect? But you can still see the color through. You can see it especially on the whites there. So, I am thrilled with everything about this cup. I absolutely love the chameleons. I cannot wait to use them for some more things. And I love this clear cast decal, which this one isn't actually a clear cast. It is a printed on white clear cast decal. So, the decal can come from Gracefully Created. The glitter was It's Pretty Personal, and I will have a link for these chameleons down in the description below as well. So, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.